assembling the Pyramid D. In the Pyramid D kit, you will have the pyramid shape, the bulkhead, a D motor tube, an internal thrust ring, an external thrust ring, a 1/4 inch launch lug, and a barbecue skewer. Take your pyramid shape and your barbecue skewer and press down in the engraved line and pull the barbecue skewer across it deeply. At each line where each side intersects. Press out your launch lug slot and with a sharp end lift and pull out the paper and the foam inside the slots. Do not push through the paper. The paper should be still flat and not cut through on the other side. Also take your bulkhead and press out the motor mount hole and the launch lug slot. Bend up each side of the pyramid 90 degrees to pre-fold along your skewered or indented lines done with the skewer between the pyramid sides. Take 2 small pieces of tape, just prepared beforehand. Also, on the edges, the outside edge shape where it would be taped together, on the inside just run across with the skewer to press down the side. Take your bulkhead and line the launch lug slots up on your bulkhead. Fold up your sides. Fold them around the bulkhead. Set on a flat surface and squeeze the sides together and tape with a small piece of tape. Do this for top and bottom. Push them together and fold the tape over. Take a piece and put it in the middle. Fold it over. Take a long piece of tape and reinforce the whole seam. Fold it over and tape together. Take a razor blade or a pair of scissors and trim off your tape. Take a D engine, your D motor tube, and your internal thrust ring, and note the length of the D engine. We want the D engine to come out of the tube a short distance. Take your barbecue skewer and mark the length of the difference between the D engine and the motor tube. Insert glue inside the motor tube so that it's in approximately the depth of the skewer mark. Insert your thrust wing, push in your D motor tube until it's at the distance on your skewer, and then insert the D motor tube until it shows about a 1/4 inch out the tube. Pull your D motor out. Apply a little glue around your motor tube and put on your external thrust ring. And push down until it is flush. Then put a little glue between your motor tube and thrust ring and insert into your pyramid all the way until it is touching the forward bulkhead and glued. Then take your launch lug, insert it in the slot till it protrudes through the bulkhead. Put a little glue there, and also a little glue Your Pyramid D is now finished. Set aside to dry before flying.